How to Bake an American Pie. Written by Karma Wilson. Illustrated by Wall Collin. Here's how to bake an American pie. First ever made on the 4th of July. Preheat the world until fiery hot, with a hunger and thirst to be free. Now find a giant melting pot on the shores of a great shining sea. Pat out a crust of fruited plains, then spread it as far as you dare. Fold in some fields of amber grains, enough for all the peoples to share. And though it's getting mighty high, that's just the start of American pie. Add purple mountain majesties, measure out meekness and might. Pour cupfuls of courage as much as you please, then leave in with dawn's early light. Ladle out liberty fought for and won, and justice for both great and small. Whisk in waterfalls kissed by the sun, then fold in sweet freedom for all. And though it's getting amazingly high, there's so much more to American pie. Spiced with ideas, seasoned with dreams, and customs from faraway lands. Add roaring rivers and bubbling streams, and towns built with strong, loving hands. Drizzle in rays from a glowing sunset, abundantly flavor with care. And this is important, so never forget to add some forgiveness to spare. And though it's getting enormously high, there's still even more to American pie. The secret ingredients cannot be bought, so borrow from heaven above. The key to it all is to pour in the pot plenty of faith, hope, and love. Now roll out a top of spacious skies to cover this country of ours. Place in God's graves and allow to rise, then garnish with 50 bright stars. And that's how to bake an American pie, first ever made on the 4th of July. Serves just as many who wish to stop by. The end. If you like this poem, please let me know on my Facebook page. Also, if you like my reading, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.